Lizard firmware update tutorial. Part 1, application update of the bootloader. Hello, in this video we'll show you how to update the firmware on your Maximus Lizard device. We will assume you've already reviewed the user manual and have installed the USB drivers and the .NET 4.0 software library. This video will only cover firmware update instructions. If you have not yet gotten to this stage, please go to the manual before proceeding. Okay, the first step here is to grab your Lizard. Okay. You're going to place the Lizard in bootloader mode by pressing and holding both these buttons down and inserting the USB cable. Just like this. Once you have a solid red light, go ahead and release the buttons. Your Lizard is now in bootloader mode. Now, if you have not gotten to this mode, please refer to the user manual. Now we're going to move to the computer and we're going to open the Lizard Updater software available at 360lizard.com on the Download tab. Now go ahead and open this software. If it does not open or errors, that means you have not yet installed the .NET 4.0 library and you need to go back and take care of this. The link is listed in the user manual. The very first tab that opens up is called the Application Update. With this tab, this is how we update the main code of the Lizard. The first thing to check is to check your COM port is properly selected. You can press rescan and list them. So in this case our COM port is number 6. From here you can go ahead and press the connect button. You'll see the information of the Lizard along with your individual serial number. From here, go ahead and click the download updates. The update is specific to your Lizard listed by your serial number. You cannot use your update on someone else's Lizard. From here, you're going to click the Get File button listed under Firmware Update. The bottom list here is the beta firmware. Now if you wish to try the beta, you can, and please report any bugs you may find. On this one, the beta is version 1.02. So go ahead and press the Get File and you're going to download the file. Go ahead and save it to a location you can easily find, such as just your desktop. Now the other one is the flash update. Now the flash update is essentially all the text and pictures you see on the Lizard. Go ahead and click and save this on your desktop as well. Okay, now we've downloaded and we saved both files to our desktop. Go ahead and close the Updater tab. From here, go ahead and click the button that says Flash Device and select the file that we downloaded with the extension CEX. Once you locate the file, just go ahead and double click it and the lizard will automatically start updating. It'll first erase, then it will program, and then it will verify that the install was successful. This process can take 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's completed, a window will pop up indicating that it has been completed. Go ahead and click OK, and that's when you can disconnect the USB and reset your lizard. And we're showing here in the video the full process. As you can see, it does take a little bit of time. Now it's verifying the instruction. You see here, the verified test is passed. Go ahead and click OK. So essentially what we've done is updated the main code of the lizard. Go ahead and press the exit bootloader from the updater software and the lizard should start up normal. Now this part 2 will go ahead and update the flash, which includes the text, the graphics, and all the icons and language files. Go ahead and press tab tube that says Flash Update. See, the lizard is now in normal mode. You do not update the flash in bootloader mode. Go ahead and press connect, and again you'll see your information pop up. From here, go ahead and press Flash Device, and you're going to locate the extflash.bin file. Go ahead and double click it, and it will do the same thing as before. It'll erase, blank check, write it, and then verify. This process can also take up to 1 to 2 minutes. Do not unplug your lizard at any time during this process, otherwise essentially you'll brick it. Okay, here in the video you're seeing that it's actually writing the new flash. The whole time on the lizard you'll see the USB light flashing. This just indicates activity that is going on. Now that it's finished writing, it's going ahead and verify the information. And once again, once the verify is done, a window will pop up prompting you to click OK. Do not, again, please do not unplug the device until your verify OK button has popped up. Okay, so the verify test has been completed. We can go ahead and press OK. Now the update is finished. Go ahead and unplug the USB and plug it back in, and this will reboot your Lizard. Go ahead and check for functionality, making sure all the buttons are there, all the text and graphics are there. See, in this one here, we've added a new feature of the Samsung to function with the Scorpion. Now for troubleshooting, we'll go ahead and follow through a few instructions to assist you if you're having any problems. Okay, if you interrupt the flash to update, we're going to show you one of the problems that can happen. Okay, see here you've got some really odd alien type writing and text. The graphics are gone, the text are gone, you're just going to see garbage on the screen. That's caused because the flash file did not complete properly. So in this case, go ahead and go to the flash update, connect to the Lizard, and then go ahead and run the ext flash.bin again. It's pretty simple. Another problem that can occur is you press the connect and you get a failed response. This can be easily solved just by going to bootloader mode, press the application to update, and then go ahead and rewrite the entire flash again. If you have any other issues, please contact us.